Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Raspberry Pi, the low-cost system on chip. This is a $35 computer. So let me just tell you the setup that I have. From here you can see this is the video cable that is going to my LCD. This is the audio output which is going to my speakers. This is the power cable for my Raspberry Pi, and this here is the wireless dongle for my keyboard and mouse. And I have a Lenovo wireless keyboard and mouse. It's very small and works really fine. And this is the SD card in which I have the operating system loaded. I'm using a Debian image for this, which is called the Raspbian VZ. And on this side I have my LCD screen. This is a 3.5 inches wide LCD screen, and it's very thin. It's probably 3 mm in thickness, and it's connected to from here digital to analog. What I've done is I've stripped down the wires so that it can have the analog channel coming in. I have done this because I had to extend this to 3 more LCDs so that I can connect these signals to parallel. So let's run Raspberry Pi and see how good it performs. So let's start with the booting process. So Raspberry Pi starts directly when you switch it on. It does not have a switch to power on or power off. This was done to reduce the cost of this chip. So as we see that it boots up quite fast, and it takes about 30 seconds to come to the home screen. We need to have a user ID and password for it, and then we type the command start X to come to a desktop. And this is the desktop. Okay, let's test out a video to see the performance. Okay, this is a song that I really like. So one of the amazing features that Raspberry Pi has, it has got an expansion GPIO board, so from which we can connect external input output devices. So let's take a sample from here. I'm connecting a PIR sensor to its pin GPIO 13, and we'll try to find out how it works. So let's take a program for the working of sensor. Already written a code in Python which detects their presence. So let's check it out. So whenever there is a movement recorded, it says moving, and whenever there is no movement, the sensor says stop. So right now, since there is a disturbance in front of it goes on saying stop and moving. We'll try to find out a position when it gets to an equilibrium. Now it says stop. Okay, so once if I come in front of it, it starts detecting moving. That's one of it. But the best part is how you can apply this. Now let's say if you have something, a program in which you want the sensor to do something, it can be done. So when it detects moving, it starts with a video. Now this video is again can be controlled by it. So this gets back to this same program. It says stop, and if I come in front of it, says moving, and then again the video starts. So this was done for an project that I've been doing for a video installation, and this is the basic working of it. It detects the presence and it changes the video.